Was the recent Bitcoin upwards move just a fake out, or are we just trying to catch a breath here to see another pump here to the upside? That is something that I want to talk about today. And of course, I have prepared way more other content for you guys that we have to talk about today. So definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly go here into the charts. So you can see here on the 1 hourly chart, I have the Fibonacci retracement level pulled because I wanted to see what is the potential next lower level where the Bitcoin price could go to. So, and here from the local high that we had here at $17,000, we went straight back down into the golden ratio here at the 0.618, 0.65 at 16,800, 16,790 respectively. And that was acting then for quite a while here as support, as the price was bouncing here up and down above that. And then we have lost it with that recent move here, created this new low point. So, and now if we lose the 0.6786 here at $16,746, then I believe we will see a further move to the 1.618, 1.65 at 16,474 and 16,484 on the 1 hourly chart. So I think that we can potentially do a quick scalp on this if we break here under the $16,746 level. If we break under that, we could take a short trade all the way down to the 1.618. But I would potentially take first profits at $16,600. Just for the reason that we have some support coming in there. The drawing is not working. Let me try to reload this. When you look at it, there's also already the line that I wanted. So when you look at it, there is massive support coming in. So it was here resistance, 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 turned here into support, support. So and yeah, so we could see potentially a relief bounce from that level. That's why if we break here this $16,750 level, that would be my first take profit point, and then the second one all the way down here. Guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together and take the trades that I give you here absolutely for free, and you want to support my work, then go in the pinned comment or in the description of the video and click on the BYBIT link. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free as deposit bonus with this specific link, and on Bitget still $20,000 dollar bonus, also only with this specific link in the description, guys. When we go then here to the 4 hourly chart, we can clearly see that our cup and handle pattern is still intact, and that we are forming right now here the handle exactly as we see it here in the picture. So just for the ones that don't know how a cup and handle pattern works, I put this image here in so that you can understand it better. So you see, you have here the original bullish trend to the upside. Then you get a pullback here, a pullback, which is then the beginning of the candlestick rounded bottom that you get, which is creating the cup. And then you have a subsequent rise. Then you have again a downward sloping channel, which is creating the handle, and then you have a breakout and a continuation of the original bullish trend. So, and that is what we are seeing here. We see here the original bullish trend. So then we had a pullback here. Then we started creating the cup. So, and now we are in the handle phase, waiting for a break to the upside. So what I also want to mention is that the bottom of the cup is also in alignment with a big support level that we have here at 16,500 all the way up to 16,675, which is again in confluence with what I said earlier, that I will take profits at 16,600 because of this support zone that we have here also on the 4-hourly time frame. So another point that I want to make, where we could see here an imminent breakout, let's say in the next 2 days, out of this cup and handle pattern, is that the stochastic RSI is already in oversold conditions. So and in 33 minutes we are closing this candle, so we could see here an attempt to break already the handle in the immediate short term. But I will want to be cautious with that, because here on the 4-hourly chart we still have this head and shoulders pattern with the rejection of that resistance zone here. So we are still in it, but yeah, I believe we're gonna fall out of it. And if we come then all the way down here to this bigger support zone and we lose it, then still this head and shoulders pattern is going to play out. So we have to wait the next 8 to 40 hours, in my opinion, to see what's going to happen here. But it will give us some opportunities to trade. And I can tell you guys, if this head and shoulders pattern is playing out and we reach the technical target, there I take a massive long position. So, or if you can recall, if we break here above the resistance area of $16,900, also there I'm gonna open a short position and a long position, and gonna share that with you guys in my free Telegram channel. Also the link is in the description below or in the pinned comment of the video, so definitely check this out. There's for now not much more to say here for the weekend. So guys, remember, the weekends are volatile and sometimes boring, so we have to be aware of that. And there's not a lot of volume during the weekend, so be cautious about the weekend volatility. And other than that, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.